Welcome to the Auto Wheels, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about electric vehicles on the market, the Tesla Model 3. This car has transformed the way we think about electric vehicles, offering a blend of performance, technology, and sustainability that's hard to beat. First, let's discuss the design of the Tesla Model 3. Its sleek, minimalist exterior reflects a modern aesthetic that has become synonymous with the Tesla brand. The aerodynamic shape not only looks good but also contributes to the car's efficiency. It's available in several colors. The Model 3's understated elegance makes it appealing to a broad range of buyers. The vehicle features a spacious interior that prioritizes functionality and comfort. With seating for 5 adults and a generous cargo space, it is designed for both everyday use and longer road trips. Now, let's get into the heart of the Model 3, its performance. The Tesla Model 3 is available in several variants, including the Standard Range Plus, Long Range, and Performance models. Each variant delivers impressive acceleration. The Standard Range Plus can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.3 seconds, while the Performance model achieves that in a thrilling 3.1 seconds. The electric powertrain provides instantaneous torque, resulting in a driving experience that feels both responsive and exhilarating. One of the standout features of the Model 3 is its range. Depending on the variant, the Model 3 can achieve anywhere from 263 miles to an impressive 353 miles on a single charge. This makes it practical for daily commutes as well as longer journeys without the anxiety of frequent charging. Tesla's supercharger network further enhances the ownership experience, allowing drivers to recharge their vehicles quickly and conveniently. When it comes to technology, the Model 3 is loaded with cutting-edge features. The centerpiece of the interior is the 15-inch touchscreen display, which controls virtually all aspects of the car. This minimalist approach eliminates traditional buttons and knobs, streamlining the driver's experience. The interface is intuitive and responsive, providing access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings all in one place. The Tesla Model 3 also offers advanced driver assistance features through its Autopilot system. While it's not fully autonomous, Autopilot enhances safety and convenience with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic lane changes. The full self-driving option adds even more capabilities, including navigate on autopilot and traffic light recognition, bringing us closer to a future where cars drive themselves. Safety is another key aspect of the Model 3. It has received top ratings from various safety organizations, thanks to its robust construction and advanced safety features. The vehicle includes multiple airbags, stability control, and a rigid passenger cell designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. The low center of gravity due to the battery placement also contributes to enhanced stability and handling. Let's not overlook the charging options available for the Model 3. Owners can charge at home using a standard outlet or a dedicated wall connector for faster charging. Additionally, the growing network of public charging stations makes it easy to recharge while on the go. Tesla's mobile app allows drivers to monitor charging status and locate nearby charging stations, adding convenience to the ownership experience. Another notable aspect of the Model 3 is its eco-friendliness. As an electric vehicle, it produces zero tailpipe emissions, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumers. The production process is also designed with sustainability in mind, including efforts to reduce waste and use renewable energy sources. The interior of the Model 3 is designed with comfort and technology in mind. Premium materials give it a luxurious feel, while features like heated seats and dual-zone climate control enhance passenger comfort. The spacious cabin allows for ample headroom and legroom, making long drives enjoyable for all passengers. In terms of infotainment, the Model 3 offers a suite of features that keep you connected. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for seamless integration with smartphones. Streaming services like Spotify and access to navigation are also included, ensuring that you have entertainment and information at your fingertips. While the Tesla Model 3 has many strengths, it's worth noting a few areas where some users have expressed concerns. The minimalist interior design, while appealing to many, may take some time to get used to, especially for those accustomed to traditional dashboards. Additionally, some may find the lack of physical buttons challenging at first. Another consideration is the build quality. While improvements have been made over time, some owners have reported inconsistencies in panel gaps and paint quality. In conclusion, the Tesla Model 3 stands out as a groundbreaking electric vehicle that offers impressive performance, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainability. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a car that can handle longer journeys with ease, the Model 3 is an excellent choice. Its combination of efficiency, safety, and advanced features positions it as a leader in the electric vehicle market. If you're enjoying our content and want to stay updated on all things automotive, be sure to subscribe to the Auto Wheels. We'll continue bringing you the latest reviews, specs, and features of the best vehicles on the market. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.